Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute thin part wig from I Like Hair. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So like I said, this is a thin part wig from the brand called I Like Hair, and I was really impressed with this hair. So it kind of reminds me of a U-part wig, but you don't have to leave out as much hair, and you have the option of leaving out just a thin leave out or no leave out at all, because it features true roots closure, which matches the roots of your natural hair. So super cool. And yeah, so it does include some nice accessories, you know, like a comb, a wig cap, tweezer, a hair clip, you know, some of the usual essentials that brands give us when we purchase a wig. So I thought that was really nice. So for me, I am going to be doing a thin leave out, and I am going to be doing a middle part with this hair. So I'm going ahead and I'm just going to undo the clips and put this hair right on. This is going to be a super easy install. I love that there's no lace, no glue, just super easy. And like, honestly, like I said, if I didn't want to do leave out, I could have did no leave out and made it an even easier install. So yeah, and it's in this really nice kinky curly texture. The hair quality did feel really good. It feels very, very natural. So after I installed the wig, I did notice I did not do enough leave out. So you're gonna see me put the middle part, and I'm gonna see like, girl, there's a gap. So I'm going to take it off and then leave out some more hair, and then come back on camera so that you guys can see what it looks like with enough hair out. So I have enough hair out now, and let's get back into it. So we're gonna go ahead and create that middle part like I said, and look how thin that is, like barely any hair out. Like, this is gonna be so easy to blend. So I'm just going ahead and taking my water bottle full of water, and I'm just gonna spray the hair all over. And you can style this hair just like you would style your natural hair. So this is kind of like wash and go style. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Wash and Go Curl Primer to help really define those curls. And then I'm going to be going in with the Main Choice styling product to really help define my curls. And one thing I really love about this thin part wig is, since it is curly hair, I can do different styles. I can do a braid out, twist out, bantu knot. I can even straighten it if I want to, since it's human hair. So I can do a lot of different looks and styles with this hair. So today I'm just going to be doing a wash and go. So I'm just applying the product and getting it to my liking. And yeah, guys, I was really impressed with this hair. Like, a really easy install, and I love that I barely have to leave out any hair. There is a little bit of shedding with this unit, which I showed you guys, but that's pretty normal with all curly hair units that I've ever used. So nothing against the company. And as you guys can see from the look on my face, I was pretty impressed. I was like, okay, you know, like, my hair is looking good. Like, I was really impressed with this hair. It's super thick, it feels very, very natural, and it does blend in with my natural hair. So looks like, you know, it looks like real hair. It looks like it's growing out my hair. Somebody might think it's mine, you know. Really nice hair. And I will have all of the information about this hair in the description box below. I really like thin part wigs, because like I said, the whole no lace thing, I feel like lace sometimes just makes, you know, things look a little too fake. But when you have to leave out just a little bit of your own hair, it does make the wig look more realistic. So I am just going ahead and laying my baby hairs to complete the look. And this edge gel is from Sweetie's collab with Kiss Colors. It's a really good edge control. I like it. So that's what I am using to go ahead and just lay those edges and finish up this look. I'm just going to add a little bit more water, making sure that my hair is blending in with the wig. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I really love this hair, and I will have all of the information on this hair linked in the description box below. So this is the final look of it. It looks really, really good. And yeah, I really like it. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post. And yeah, bye guys.